Hello friends, welcome to our channel Share की तबीयत पुल और बियर. Friends, we are focusing on the nifty strategy relating to the expiry dated 3rd June 2021. Friends, we are focusing on call and put open interest strategy. So on that basis we find the range, okay, find the range, and on that basis we can trade it. So for that purpose we are go for NSE India side. Friends, we are we are here in NSE India side. This is the call and put data relating to the expiry of 3rd June 2021 shows in NSE India. Friend, this is a call side and this is a put side. Call side shows that there is a upside in the indices, and put side shows that it should be a downside or there is some support if there is a increase in the change in the open interest. So friends, there are different columns in calls. Like first column OI, which shows that open interest, the change in open interest. Second column is change in open interest. Third column is volume on that strike price. Okay, then IV, then LTP. LTP means the last traded price, then bid quantity, that is how much quantity should be bid in the last price, bid price, ask price, and ask quantity, and there is a strike price, and the same column in the put side. Now we are focusing on the change in open interest positive figure, where the open interest is increases. Okay, that shows that if the calls open interest is increasing, that means the market cannot go beyond that strike price. And if there is some negative change in open interest, which shows that any short call should be recovered by the shareholders, we can say that, or the traders. Now we have focus on put side. Put side shows that there is a support. So change in open interest, where is maximum change in open interest in the positive figure, that shows the supports. Okay, and where is some negative figures in the change in open interest, which shows that there is some situation where the market goes up. Now we are focused where is the large open interest found in the data. So here we are focusing, and the positive figure is 12,140 in the 15,700 strike in the call side. Okay, so we can see that from the today's strategy, it does not go beyond 15,700. If it goes beyond 15,700, the 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 calls which are short in 15,700, okay, 1500 is 15,700 strike price, which will be recovered, and it support to the market to go above 15,700. So 15,700 figures is most important for the today's strategy purpose. Now we focus on the put side. So the open interest is huge in the strike price of 15,450. That is, this is a support. Okay, this is the support. Below that the market cannot go, but if the market goes below 15,450, then then this strike price or open interest should be recovered and it should contribute to sale of the market. So friends, we know the range of the nifty for today's scenario, that is 15,450 is the support for the nifty and 15,700 is the target. So friend, this is the range beyond between them the markets are playing. Now the strategy is that on that basis we can frame the strategy, that first of all there is some negative uh, there is some negative news that the petrol and crude price has been increases, which impacted market very well in negatively to the market. So friends, this is one of the most important news. Considering such news and but we can say that the today's market uh, close, which shows that a uh, positive trend, and it should close 15,576, so near 15,550, in between 15,550 and 15,600. So friends, we can sell the put of 15,550, 550, and wait for uh, wait for the wait till the market reaches 15,700, so that the put is reduced and going, and all the premium should be your profit, because today is the last day. But if it goes below the 15,550, okay, that okay, so the put value is increases and you should lose their money. So friends, the stop loss is 15,450 for if the put are sale, but put are sale. Now we are focused on call side. uh, we can sell the call of 15,650, which is of the 19 rupees, hey, 18 rupees. So that should, or 15,600 call by okay, but stop loss is 15,700. So here the profit is 39.60 rupees. Okay. Friends, please focus on 15,450 figure and 15,700 figure for this purpose strategy. The range is only for determination of strategy, but this is the market, okay, which can be go beyond the range also. But on the basis of data we frame the range that the market cannot go below the 15,450 and cannot go above 15,750 or 15,700. So on that basis you can frame the strategy as we can, as we said that, and according to sell the call or sell the put, okay, on that basis, because the market range should be fixed. Now we are focused on put call ratio. So here the put call ratio is 1.269, so it should be a bigger one, friends. So the risk is that the market can reach to 15,000, okay, 15,450, okay, 15,450 to the below range, okay, to So considering all, we have we are determined strategy that considering the put call ratio and the open interest in the put and call, we frame the strategy that 15,000, the market should be closed nearly between 15,450 or 15,500. So there is a best way to sell the call, okay sell the call and gets a premium, as a profit. Thank you. And now we sorry, but we have focus on some global scenario or global indices, so that how we can confirm, okay confirm whether it should be a decrease in the indices or increase in indices. So for that purpose, we see the major global indices. So here Dow Jones is in positive, but it should be a flat contribution. Only 12.51 point it should be increases. And S&P 500 is also flat. Nasdaq shows a negative contribution is 45.98 points, that is 0.33% decrease. But DAX, CAC and FTSE 100 shows a increase in the contribution in the indices till 0.30% in an average. So global major indices cannot show the clear picture. So for that purpose, we can find a trade according to the range specified. It should not go, market cannot go uh, below 15,450 or to 15,500. These are the two supports, and cannot go beyond 15,700 or 15,750. Okay, so according to that, you can trade or you can frame the strategy by selling a call or the selling a put. Because both the side the the fluctuation has been made. So according to that, you can frame and take a profit to your home. Thank you.